Looking for a home, need someone who cares. Tijuana's the realtor who's always there.
Welcome to 10012 Michael Crossan Drive, where every room tells a story and every corner feels like home. Set in one of Charlotte's most peaceful and neighborly communities, this 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath beauty isn't just a house. It's the backdrop for your next chapter. As you walk through the front door, you'll feel it, the warmth, the flow, the comfort. French doors open to your private office, a space where dreams are built, goals are written, and quiet moments matter. Step into the heart of the home, an open-concept kitchen designed with love. Gorgeous upgraded appliances, a gas cooktop, a walk-in pantry, and a generous island invite connection, laughter, and memory-making meals. Just imagine the holidays, the birthdays, the everyday conversations that will take place right here. The main level guest suite is perfect for welcoming friends and family with comfort and privacy because every guest should feel like they belong. Upstairs, the primary suite is your personal escape, a serene space with a separate sitting room, dual walk-in closets, a soak-in tub, and all the little luxuries that help you exhale after a long day. And just down the hall, more bedrooms filled with light and possibility, plus 2 cozy den areas where movie nights, game days, or quiet mornings can unfold. Step outside and take in your private retreat, a beautifully built deck and patio space made for backyard barbecues, stargazing, and still summer nights. Here in Michael Crossan, the community is just as special. Sidewalk strolls, friendly waves, a place where neighbors become lifelong friends. This isn't just a home. It's where life happens, and we can't wait for you to experience it. Welcome home.